Hello everyone. In the last sessions, we have done that questions like that single rows with comma separated values convert into the multiples rows like that we need to convert it. Okay, but one of our subscriber got that errors that a single row subcore is written that more than one rows like that they got that output. Okay, they reached me. That's the reason we are going to solve that particular issues. Okay, these issues we need to solve it now. Here when we want to do that means here see here these and all I already explained in the last sessions only. Just will execute this statement. If you are executing this statement means we will get that is see here I have used that slash double have used. Okay, we should change like that. That is a forward slash we should change it. Then only we can get the proper result set, because in the forward slash only it will get that common records from the column names. Based on that we can get the output. Okay, so if you are inserting that one more record in that particular table, that is table 01, see here I have inserted the records and I done that commit also. Okay, if you are committing the statements means the commit it's completed, it's like that it is we got it. Okay, and also when now you are executing this statement, okay, now we got the error like that single row subqueries it is returning that more than one row like that it is returning. Okay, why it is returning means when we are executing select a regular expression count of that name that comma from the table. Okay, that is you are counting this comma from the table. If you are selecting and counting means, that is if you are selecting that particular statement and executing means it will give that output. It is like that two rows like that I got it. Okay, and also please see here I have used a less than or equal to symbol. If you are using the less than or equal to means here it is act like a single row subqueries. Okay, so in the single row subqueries means within that the statement that is select a regular expression count from the table 01, it will return that single row only, it should return it. But when we execute this statement, see here we get the output result, it is two rows it is get it, that is more than one row we got that output result. Okay, for that we should take that single row concept. I already uploaded, please check that one also. Okay, so based on that you will get that clear idea of that single row and multiple row subqueries and multiple row multiple column we can get it. Now see here we'll move on to our sessions. Okay, here we want to use that any keyword. Okay, so because here it is like that multi row subqueries. Okay, so for that we should use it any, all, or like that we should use it. Okay, when we are executing this one means see here we get it two rows it is we are getting. So this is not a single row, based on that we can get it know that this is multi row subqueries. That's the reason we should use a any or all keyword we should use it. Now we can select our statement and run it. Now we get that exact output. Okay, we are getting the exact outputs, but some of the statement it is null, because see here in that HKL already it is presented and none of the values it is not there to present it. Okay, that's the reason it's showing null values in that columns and also. Okay, now if you are changing that all keyword means we will get the result it is some other way it is getting. Okay, like A and H only we got the result. So like that it is taking that first values of the columns only it is taking and it is giving the result set. Okay, so like that it is changing that all the values. Okay, so this way we can able to see that keywords and all how it is presented our tables. If you are using any, it is giving that correct result set. If you are using all means that also it will give the result set, but in other format like that we got it. So this way we should know about which keyword we want to use it for our SQL query statement and which syntax we are using, and we should clear on that each and every concept thoroughly. Okay, I already uploaded the single row, multi-row, multi-column subqueries and all in our series. Please check it. Okay. Thank you so much.